Welcome to our exploration of stunning architecture and luxurious interior designs that redefine the concept of small, eco-friendly homes. In this video, we'll take you through beautifully curated spaces that blend sustainability with unmatched elegance. From innovative layouts to breathtaking interiors, these homes are a true testament to how small can still be grand. We begin with the architecture, compact, sustainable, and visually captivating. Picture lush green rooftops, large windows that invite nature inside, and designs that make every square inch count. These homes aren't just structures, they're works of art harmonizing with their environment. Let's dive in and explore the magic of sustainable small home architecture. Step into a space where simplicity meets serenity. These living rooms are more than just places to relax, they're sanctuaries of comfort and style. With natural tones, soft lighting, and lush greenery accents, each design creates a calm, inviting atmosphere. Imagine sinking into a cozy bamboo sofa while sunlight pours through floor-to-ceiling windows. Every element, from the potted plants to the reclaimed wood furniture, is thoughtfully chosen to echo nature's beauty. Let these spaces inspire your dream of living in harmony with the environment. Where better to cook up creativity than in a sustainable, space-savvy kitchen? These designs blend functionality with eco-friendly charm, featuring bamboo countertops, reclaimed wood cabinets, and energy-efficient appliances. Natural light floods through smartly placed skylights, while vertical herb gardens add a refreshing green touch. Whether it's the sleek concrete finishes or the warm wooden accents, these kitchens prove that small can be both beautiful and practical. Get ready to fall in love with the heart of the home, reimagined for modern, sustainable living. Let these tranquil bedrooms transport you to a world of rest and rejuvenation. With soft, organic linens, wooden furniture, and calming, neutral palettes, these spaces invite you to unwind naturally. Imagine waking up to the gentle glow of sunlight streaming through energy-efficient windows. Vertical gardens and earthy textures add a biophilic charm, creating a connection to nature even indoors. These bedrooms redefine comfort, blending simplicity with thoughtful design details. Sweet dreams are practically guaranteed. Step into a bathroom that's as stylish as it is sustainable, featuring natural stone sinks, bamboo storage, and eco-friendly fixtures. These designs prove that luxury and sustainability go hand in hand. Skylights and large windows bathe the space in natural light, while indoor plants provide a fresh, spa-like ambiance. Whether you're soaking in a deep tub or admiring the unique mosaic tiles, every moment feels like a retreat. These bathrooms are designed to rejuvenate both you and the planet, making self-care an art form. Dine in style with these thoughtfully designed eco-friendly dining areas. Picture a reclaimed wood table surrounded by bamboo chairs, illuminated by solar-powered pendant lights. These spaces are warm, inviting, and perfect for enjoying meals with loved ones. From green walls to natural fiber textiles, every detail reflects a commitment to sustainability. Whether it's a cozy nook or an open-plan layout, these dining areas inspire a harmonious balance of function and beauty. Let's pull up a chair and savor the design. Step outside and discover tranquility with these stunning, eco-friendly outdoor spaces. Imagine a cozy wooden deck surrounded by lush native plants, or a pergola draped with climbing vines and solar-powered fairy lights. These spaces are designed for relaxation and connection to nature, whether it's a quiet moment by a rainwater-fed pond or a cheerful gathering around a fire pit. From reclaimed materials to thoughtful landscaping, every element complements the natural world. These outdoor retreats invite you to unwind in eco-luxury. Let's take a breath of fresh air and explore.